Hi, I'm Matt from MetalWorks, here to introduce a Art Morrison C10 chassis. I know we've showed you these before, but this one's kind of a special one. This is one of their first IRS production chassis, and also it's getting a much more impressive motor end than the ones we've done in the past. This one's getting the LT5 GM crate motor paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. This one's putting out 755 horse from GM. It is paired with a Wagner accessory drive kit on there to run all the accessories. This one has a set of the Forgeline dropkick wheels, custom coated, set of 295 tires up front, the rear or 345 tire. Hopefully helps supply enough traction for this. This one is also set up with the e-stop parking brake system. The unique thing about C10 chassis, some of their new productions from Art Morrison, is they don't only come with the full stainless steel pre-bent brake line, but they also come with the fuel line for these to supply fuel to the engine. This particular chassis, we have a Rick's stainless steel fuel tank that we custom coated black. It has twin pumps in it to supply enough pressure to that LT5 to supply the fuel demand. Just an amazing overall chassis. This one, the customer has actually already ordered one chassis from us for a Camaro, a 69 Camaro he had, and he found out about these C10 chassis that just recently came out, and he had to have one. So he wanted to go over the top, and here it is. It's actually about ready to go out to the customer out to Maine. So we'll be getting this thing loaded up any day and get it out to him so he can start building this truck.